So today I'm going to show you two ways of doing circular arrays that are dynamic and easily to change. To start off with the cube, let's go into edit mode, press M, merge at center. Now we have this dot, and we can just press J, X, and we do this while we are in edit mode, like this. Great. Now we're in object mode and we go to the modifiers. We add the modifiers, we add the screw modifier. Next thing, we need something that we should array, and I have prepared this since before. So I have this ammunition. Maybe we can just pull it down a little bit, we can see it. So we have this select, we can select this, and then we shift select the ring, and we press Ctrl P, and we can just set parent to object, and then we select the ring, and we go to object properties, and we open up instancing, and we select vertices like this. Great. So we can drag this down, so I have it in the center, and look something like this. And the strength with this one is that if we now select the ring, and let's go to modifiers, we can decide if we want it to go the whole circle, how many degrees we want to work with, and we can decide how many objects we want, and we can also add a screw to it, and we can also make several iterations of it. So this one is really easy to change and easy to work with. So my second favorite way to do a circular array is to take the object, we can just drag it up like this, then we need to add an empty, we can just choose one of them, and now I want to take this object and rotate around this empty, and with the help of this empty, and to solve this we just need to select the object we want to rotate, and we add a modifier, and we can go with the array modifier. We can just move it up, and maybe I want 9 of them, so something happening but it's not correct, so we can uncheck this and instead go down and check object offset, and the object we want to offset with is this empty, and we can rotate around Y, and we can see that something happening. But right now something is wrong, and this is not the center, and the reason for this is that this point of origin is here and not here, and the empty point of origin is here, so we need to fix this. So we can select this and say object set origin to 3D cursor, like that, and now it looks much better. And what we also want to fix is that this degree that is here is the degrees between each of them. So sometimes it can be hard, but the trick is just to write 360 and then divided with the number of objects that you have. But for instance, you maybe want to add more objects like this, but nothing happens. The way to solve this is you can right click, copy as new driver, then we go to the empty, and you can right click here and choose paste driver. And it's almost correct, but something is wrong, so we can right click, edit driver, and we can see it goes by the average value. We don't want that, we want it to be a scripted expression, and we want it to say 360 divided by the count. Okay, so something is wrong, and the reason for this, you can see the degrees here is way up, we don't want that. So, and this is correct, and the difference here is because that Blender works with both degrees and radians, and the way to solve it is just to write radians here, and we can just add like that, and now we have a driver. So if we go to the object and we want more objects like this, now it works. You can just add more, and the great thing with this one is that you can just you can just take this one and move it, and you can get really cool patterns. Or we can take this, we can rotate it, so it's easy to do cool stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and if you like stuff like this, please like and subscribe. Bye.